Look at all my birds. There are like so many. There was like a magpie too, and I worry about them though because they can all start fighting. But they're good around the rosellas. I think they're more polite around the rosellas. But I just looked out and said, "Oh, that's a surprise! There's a bunch of birds out there. Like they just broke up. There was like a magpie and another little bird and a pigeon and the rosellas and stuff." And I was like, "Look at all those little birds." Yeah, I left some bread there. They've got the seeds in the dish too. They all ate the bread. I literally only left a little bit there. But they're all eating it. They're going to have to switch to the bowl up there soon. But I think the birds are more polite near the rosellas. But they're parrots. They have a really big, terrifying squawk. The pigeons like the rosellas. The magpie likes the rosellas. They all like everything but those little greyish ones like the rosellas.